Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauties by Farzana with me Farzana. Today I have created a Walima special bridal look. It's a perfect look for any Asian bride, but you can just create this look with any of your salwar kameez or sharee. Just skip the jewelry. Without further ado, let's get started. Starting with eye makeup, for the base I am using two concealers to color correct and highlight at the same time. Blending with a brush, then baking my eyelids, it will prevent excess oil and creasing. From the TZ35D palette, I am taking this beautiful golden shimmery shade and highlight my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. From the Focallure palette, taking this Indian red as my transition color and blend it softly. Next, taking this brownish purple color and deepen up my crease and outer view. With the concealer, cutting my crease and filling the lid. Blending with fingertips and set it with a face powder. With the help of a pencil brush, taking this parrot color and patting on inner corners and outer corners, smoothing it with my pinky finger. Blend any other hairlines. Next, for the lid color, I am using duochrome color from the Twilight Eyeshadow palette and patting this with my fingertips, then with a clean brush blending any other hairline. And next is starting face makeup. Here I am showing you a pancake based makeup, and for pancake based makeup we can't use any oil based product. So for toning and hydrating my skin, here I am using 92% aloe vera gel toner. With a yellow pancake, I am color correcting my pigmented areas. Next, using Gopinath's 27 and 26 number pancake on the face, neck and ear, and for brides apply this on the hands too. Then for the highlighting, I am using Gopinath's white pancake. Take a second and click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon, so whenever I upload something new you will be notified. Now moving on to contouring, and for that using eyeshadow with the same wet puff, taking this color on puff and contour my usual areas. Now for the highlight, using the sleek solstice palette and taking this creamy shade with a wet beauty blender first, then going to use powder on, then with the same brown eyeshadow, now with a brush seal the creamy thing, apply some blush. Going back to eye makeup, first using this white kohl and then adding few coats of mascara on both of the lash line, then setting my brows with the leftover mascara, creating a wing with eyeliner. So my eyes are very watery, cleaning water with the Q-tips, and for natural looking lashes, I am brushing my lashes with mascara wand, a clear mascara wand, then adding some drama for the lipstick, first lining my lips with Jackelin lip liner, then applying a coral lipstick. All product names are on the description box. Here I am dipping up my mole. Finishing off my makeup with a setting spray, then adding some jewelry, and here is the final look. If you like my video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Your opinion are always appreciated, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. I love you all.